Hey YouTube, hey everybody, hope you guys are all doing good. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to check your coolant level on a Honda Civic. So the car that I'm going to be demonstrating on is a 2012 Honda Civic. So this method of checking your coolant level should be the same on Honda Civics from 2012 until 2015. Before we even get started in checking the coolant level, I do want to mention that anytime you're about to check your coolant level, you want to check it when the car is cold. When I say the car is cold, I mean the car has not been driven in a couple of hours, the car has not been started in a couple of hours. I usually like to check the coolant level. I usually like to leave the car unstarted overnight and then check in the next morning just to be safe and, just to avoid any danger or any injuries. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to go ahead and open the driver door. And then if you look right below there, you'll find something that has a picture of the car with the hood open. So you would go ahead and just pull this tab and you'll hear a click sound. And that basically indicates that your hood of the car has been opened. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the front of the car. And then if you look right above the Honda sign, you'll see something like this. It looks like a tab right under the hood. There's a tab right there. And then if you press it, you can lift up your hood. So once you have your hood open and you have the stick actually, holding your hood, so to check your coolant level, you're going to look for this cap right over here, and this is going to be your radiator cap, and it'll look like something like this. Once you find it, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and twist it anti-clockwise. Go ahead and twist it, and then you'll hear a little click. It'll open. Go ahead and just open that, and go ahead and make sure inside there's got to be fluid. If there is not, then you're going to need to top it off. But if there is fluid, then you're good. So in this case, the fluid is good. So there's coolant in the car. So I'm going to go ahead and take the cap and twist it back on. There we go. Yeah. And that's how you check your coolant level on a Honda Civic from 2012 until 2015. And then also, guys, so if you want to know which coolant goes in the car, I would definitely recommend checking your manual. Otherwise, if you walk into your local auto parts store, O'Reilly, AutoZone, or whichever your local auto parts store is, give them your make and model, and they'd be happy to help you find which coolant goes in your car. So that's another best way to, put the right coolant in there. So you don't want to put something that doesn't go inside the car. What I usually like to go do is I go to my local auto parts store and I'll just give them the make and model of the car and just ask them if they can tell me which coolant goes for this car, and that's what I'll put inside. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. Please like and subscribe. I'll definitely be making more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.